Hello everybody, thank you for joining us today and welcome. We're going to create a terrarium today of Echeverias and moss. So it's a small collection really of decorative plants growing in an enclosed environment. The best part of a DIY terrarium is you get to create your own style and it's one of a kind. They look great amongst other houseplants within your house or on their own. They really create a lovely feature. So my ingredients for today is a glass vessel. I'm actually using a giant fishbowl here. There are plenty of other unique containers that you could use, bowls, jam jars, etc. Loads of items. I've got small stones and a little tiny bit of potting compost at the bottom, just to act as a drainage for the plants that have roots. That ensures that the excess water doesn't stay in the soil and then rot the plants off. I've got potting compost, quite important for a terrarium if you've got planted items. I've got moss, so I've got two varieties of moss that I'm using today. I've got peat moss and I've got bun moss. They're really good for absorbing the water. And then I've obviously got my plants. So I've got Echeverias here, but you could also use air plants or succulents, anything that you think actually would fit quite happily into a terrarium. Okay, I hope you enjoy. So top tips, if you'd like to replicate this, is number 1, select plants that are the correct size for your container. Obviously, as you can appreciate, choosing a large plant for such a small environment is not going to work. Make sure the plants, Echeveria or whatever you use, are actually not cramped, so they've got room to grow. Number 2, storing it. Keep it in a domestic environment, not too hot, not too cold, and definitely frost free. They like bright light, but not direct sunlight. And then number 3, make sure you look after your terrarium and keep it hydrated. Once the soil starts to look like it's drying out, water it lightly. Okay, you could even use a water mister. That's probably slightly less damaging than a jug of water. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed today. Please do give us a look again for more inspirational ideas, especially including moss. We look forward to welcoming you back again very soon. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye for now.